everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
Believe it or not, I've been married for 8 years and I hadn't owned a toaster. We would always toast our bread on a grill pan and it would take forever. So I've been loving this toaster by Cuisinart. This is a 2-slice with extra white slots for bagels. I love everything about it. It's super simple to use. I love this retro look it has, this beige color. It also comes in black. And it's super easy now and quick to toast my bread and even my pitas. This is super nice because it has 4 functions. It has the bagel, the defrost, the reheat, and the cancel button. And it also has 6 toasting settings. So my husband loves his bread super toasted, and I like it kind of toasted, but not super golden dark. So you can choose your preference right here. As you can see, the number 1 through 6, making the 1 less brown and the 6 super golden dark. I also love that this comes also in a 4-slice toaster. So you have the option, if you have a small family, you can get one just like I did, or the 4-slice one. Something I really like too is that it has this removable crumb tray that makes it super easy and efficient to clean. So you just remove the tray, you clean it up, and it'll take less than a minute to put it back on. I love everything about this toaster. It's super high quality, it's super modern look, and it's super functional.
So if you're looking to add style to your kitchen, definitely check these toasters out, and that is my point of view.